how to create custom sticker for WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app, tap on a chat. Now at the bottom left corner, tap on the sticker icon. Then tap on the sticker icon here. You can see all the available sticker here. To create a custom sticker, tap on create. Now select the image you want to use for your sticker. You can use this sticker without background or with a background. You can also add emoji, add some text, and draw something. Or you can add another sticker with this sticker. When you are done, tap on the green send button at the bottom. And that's it. This is how you can create custom stickers for WhatsApp.